friends, my name is Glenn van der Beke. I'm a full-time photographer from Belgium, and today we are in Park Ter Loo in Zedelgem to check out hundreds of thousands of wood anemones, one of the many spring flowers that are blooming right now. My first plan was to visit a location 1 hour away from my hometown. But suddenly I remembered a location I see daily because it's on the way to the office. On the outskirts of the forest you could only see a couple of hundred wood anemones. It's funny that people are always attracted by the great nature far away and ignore the local nature. Despite my focus on Belgium landscapes, I am also often tempted by locations that are outside of my own province. But let me tell you this, I regret I never have visited this place before. Just take a look at this. Yes! Right, let's have a little chat. It's not all positive. This park is very beautiful, don't get me wrong, but it's located just near a busy road, so you have the constant noise of traffic. And it's also not the most adventurous piece of nature you can find around here. However, locations like these are very important to further develop your photography skills. Why? Because they're close by. You can visit them multiple times a week. You can visit them on different hours during the same day. And if you're not a full-time photographer, you don't have to go far, and you can visit them before and after your work. That's easy. Think about that.